You shut everything off. No music, no voices, no background noise. And yet, the silence feels overwhelming. That's because in true quiet, your brain doesn't relax. It listens harder. Without external sound, your mind turns inward, amplifying internal ones, your breathing, your heartbeat, even the soft hum of your nervous system. The brain is wired to expect constant input, so when it disappears, it searches for something to fill the space. Silence removes distraction. It pulls awareness inward. That's why silence can feel calming or deeply uncomfortable, because in the absence of noise, the loudest thing you hear is yourself.